guys, Hardtronics here. So I have a few things to show you on the inside of the house. One of which is some nice trim around our windows and baseboards. This is basically just pine trim that is, just a square profile. And we've got some doors too. And this is 1x3. And this down here on the baseboard is 1x4. We're keeping it as a nice, simple, kind of classic look for all the trim work. And, also you can see some dirty but lovely hardwood flooring starting to go in. I've been installing that little by little. There's one of our ductless split units. This is a 5.5-inch plank Morningstar strand bamboo, as you can see here. It is very difficult to cut and nail, but it looks so nice, and it's really, really hard to scratch or anything. Also, some updates on the kitchen. We have all the rest of our cabinets in. Some nice countertops going here. I'll show you a little bit of this up close here. These are granite, but it's a very interesting sort of swirly type of granite, which I really like. And for the sink, we went with a 2-basin. Dishwasher is a Bosch. Got some lights to put in here. And my camera's running out of battery, so it's just a quick update, but as always, thanks for watching. See ya.